song and dance to celebrate Halloween. Put your claws in the air and you're quite a sight. Now howl like a werewolf late at night. Put your arms by your side all loose and floppy, and rock side to side like a silly zombie. Put your hands to the front like I have mine, and walk really stiff like Frankenstein.
Hey!
Pick your favorite move and get in line. Happy Halloween, it's dancing time. These monsters can't wait any longer. Let's Werewolf-Zomba-Franken-Conga. 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 Yeah. Werewolf-Zomba-Franken-Conga. Alright. Werewolf-Zomba-Franken-Conga. 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 Don't worry if you didn't catch all the steps the first time. Watch again, practice, and then come dance with me. Don't forget to wear your costume.